It's time to turn my compost and aerate it. I've got two bins now. This was the first lot and then this is the second lot. So the first lot I've turned it a couple of times already and it's looking good, and then this second lot I didn't have as much manure to put in it, but I did add some manure and some of the old compost already, so I'll be interested to see what it's like and feel the temperature of it too. The compost feels nice and warm and it's got this nice white fungus on it, so it's working well. There's some good heat in there too, I can really feel it even through my glove, and there are signs of the white fungus growing too, so that's good. But it's that top layer there was quite dry. It's a little bit more moist further in, but not enough, so I'm just going to give it some water as well. So I'm pretty happy with that. The second bin is quite a bit drier and I don't think I had enough green material in there, so it might take a little bit longer for it to break down. But overall I'm very happy with these first two batches of compost in my new bins.